All right, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Soccer 1998. Now, before I hop in, I want to apologize. I actually don't have the original commentary or audio to this game. For whatever reason, anytime my laptop updates, it changes my settings for my recording software back to the default. So, unfortunately, all my audio or all my commentary during this episode is not there. You're only going to be hearing the game audio. So I could go over again, narrate the whole 3 games over again, but I just don't want to do that. It doesn't feel as authentic or as real, narrating over the games after I just went through and played it. So I'm probably not going to narrate or commentate at all during the games. You're probably just going to see the gameplay and listen to Sunny Day and Earl Grey's commentary. So again, I apologize for that, but don't worry, I fixed the audio settings, so for next game shouldn't have any problems with that. But this game, you will see me play 3 games: the Oysters, Cheeses, and Tornadoes. At the end of the episode, I take a look at the league leaders and all that stuff, and set us up for the next episode where we'll play against the Gravies and the Duckies. So once again, apologies for the lack of commentary in this one, but I will have it corrected for the next episode. So without further ado, I will let you watch the 3 games here, and I will catch you in the next one.
It's time for another game of the most exciting soccer around. I'm Sunny Day, and joining me is my pal Earl Grey. Together we'll bring you every bit of the soccer action about to unfold.
Indeed, Sonny. The day is balmy, and those BSL players look keen to pummel that ball to kingdom come.
Playing in today's game are the Blue Boots and the Atomic Oysters.
The Boots have been tremendous this season. Let's see if they can keep this luck on a roll.
Limber up those vocal cords because this team needs to hear your support. The Boots kick off. Heads up field, crossed at the net, knocked out of play. Corner kick to the Boots.
Corner kicks are a perfect opportunity at a goal.
Here's a shot.
Not really a quality finish, though.
Angling in. With the big foot. Puts it on goal. And it's a goal kick.
Miss hits it.
Goal kick coming up. That one was prettier than a shoe trunk. With the drop pass. Directs it across. Moves forward. Maria read that pass beautifully.
Good anticipation.
Angling in. Puts it in.
This game looks promising for them.
The Oysters restart the game. Oh, got this one here. Markey pokes it free.
The defender gets caught pushing there. Impressive control. Nice sliding tackle.
Carries it upfield. Plays the ball back. Gets possession. Leaves it back. Settles it. Ronnie pokes it free. She gathers the loose ball. Plays it into the goal area. Tucks it away! We have a substitution for the Atomic Oysters. Marie Lisowich is in for Jerry Mahoney. The Oysters will restart the game. I got this one here. Heads up play by the defense. Blue frees it up.
Good anticipation.
Markey pokes it free. Passes it into space. Carries it upfield.
Good call by the referee.
plays it into open space. Blue frees it up. Keeps the ball in control. Yellow frees it up.
Tremendous ball control.
Let's go, Blue. Tackled away. Yellow frees it up. It went off of the Oysters. The Boots will put it back in play.
And it was a clean play.
Blue frees it up. It went off of the Boots. Lays out for it. Sends the long ball.
Nicely brought under control.
Winds up. I got this guy. Markey with the interception. Serves it across. Tackled away. Ernie pokes it free. Passes it into space. Directs it back. Too many Oysters. Heads up play by the defense. Here's a shot. Tucks it away. We have a substitution for the Atomic Oysters. Trudy Lesko is coming on for Marie Lisowich. The Oysters restart the game. And that's the end of the first half. It's halftime, gang, and the Boots have secured the lead. 3-0. Where's the sweat? Where's the sweat? I don't see any.
This truly has been a remarkable half for them, Sonny.
The Oysters will kick it off. Gathers it.
Fine control there.
Blue frees it up. Let's go, Blue. Carries it upfield.
Tremendous ball control.
Now the shot. Knocked out of play. Corner kick to the Boots.
Corner kicks are a perfect opportunity at a goal.
Serves it across. Blue frees it up. Challenges the keeper. Ronnie! Cranks it! I got this guy. Advances it. Jocinda pokes it free. Out of play.
Let's see what they do here.
I'll put this in here. Settles it. Tackled away. Plays the through ball. Cranks it. It is over the end line. A goal kick for the Oysters.
Miss hits it.
We have a substitution for the Atomic Oysters. Marie Lisowich is in for Amy Bostwick. Goal kick, yellow. Gives it up, breaks through. Goes in aggressively.
Good anticipation.
Blue frees it up. Blue frees it up. I'm getting sleepy. I got this guy. I got this guy. Tackled away. Let's go, Blue. Ernie holding the ball. Blasts it! It hits the post. The goal kick is awarded to the Oysters.
Not the finish he had hoped for.
That'll be a goal kick for the Oysters. Yellow with the goal kick. Brings it under control. Brings it under control. Challenges the keeper. Knocked out of play. Corner kick to the Boots.
This is a great place to have a shot on goal.
Directs it into the middle. Tries to settle it. Settles it. Slides in. Blue frees it up. Settles it. Picks his target. A goal kick is awarded to the Oysters.
Not really a quality finish there.
Goal kick coming up. Gathers it. That's the game. Oh my, I feel fluttery inside. The Boots have won it 3-0.
Oh, what a marvelous ending to a superb match. Today we can all be glad that the better team won.
This is Sunny Day here, ready to bring you another exciting game here at Hillside Glen High. Joining me is my esteemed colleague from across the pond, Earl Grey.
Why, thank you for the kind words, Sonny. It's a pleasure to be here in the States, witnessing this extraordinary event.
Playing in today's game are the Blue Boots and the Tasty Cheeses.
The Boots have been tremendous this season. Let's see if they can keep this luck on a roll.
Let's see what's happening on the field. The Boots get the match underway. Takes one. Gets possession. I got this guy. Settles it.
Impressive control.
Moving the ball now. Controls it. Just sit down. It was offside.
We seem to have an excellent referee here today.
Brings the ball forward. Tackled off the ball by Markey. Blue frees it up. We have got an offside flag up.
Nice call. Good anticipation.
Winds up. Markey pokes it free.
That was good.
With the big foot.
I got
Trapped
this
it.
guy. I got this guy. I got this guy.
Moves forward.
Tremendous ball control.
I got skills. I got this in here.
It goes out of play. We have a substitution for the Tasty Cheeses. Winston McCraven is coming on for Ruth Prout.
He is throwing it in.
I'm tired of all this soccer playing.
Maintains the dribble.
Superb tackle.
Square.
Dumps it off. In behind the defense. With the big foot. Drops it down. Controls it. Blue frees it up. Dangerous pass here. Forward with the dribble.
Looks like the players are playing the referee.
Retreats the play. Brings the ball around. Controls it. Forward with the dribble. Yellow frees it up.
How about this one here?
Heads up play by the defense. Ronnie pokes it free. Gets possession.
Mishandles it.
Dribbles it up. It was offside.
Obviously, the player was offside. Excellent call.
And the first half comes to a close. We've got two stellar teams here today, everyone, and we've made it to halftime without seeing a single goal. Woo!
These two teams seem to be an even match for each other. Whoever wins will need to have a strong midfield. Whoever does that can keep the ball in the other half of the field.
And the second half is underway. Dumps it off. Let's go blue. Moves forward. Tests the goalie. Controls it. Challenges the keeper. It's gone in.
Let's see if they can do that again.
We have a substitution for the Tasty Cheeses. Ruth Prout is in for Johnny Omar. The Cheeses restart the game.
How about this one here?
Markey pokes it free. Sends the long ball.
I got this.
Gathers it. Clears that one out of the box. Chips it ahead. Tries to settle it. Ernie holding the ball.
Tremendous ball control.
Chips it ahead. Heads upfield. Plays the through ball. He gathers the loose ball. Takes a chance. It hits the crossbar. Brings the ball forward. Yellow frees it up. Brings it under control. Clears that one out of the box. Carries it upfield. Puts it on goal! Puts it in!
The goalie could do nothing to stop that one. What a shot!
The Cheeses restart the game.
After that goal, you'd expect them to be a bit rattled.
Dribbles it up.
Superb tackle.
I'm open.
Ref didn't like that tackle. That'll be the Boots ball.
That referee has a good eye.
Tests the goalie. Carries it upfield.
I got this guy.
Blue frees it up. Lays it forward. Looks like they caught Ernie.
Nice call.
Sends it down the field. Traps it. Brings the ball forward. Ronnie pokes it free. He chases it down. There's the whistle, and this game is history. What a game, folks! The Boots have dominated 2-0.
Indeed, they have done it. The decisive win is a great boost for them.
I've got the fever. Soccer fever. Welcome back to the BSL Action, soccer fans. Good day, folks. This is Sunny Day coming to you live from Slough View High School, where the soccer action is about to begin. Here with me is Earl Grey, my partner in commentary.
Yes, partners indeed, Sonny. I must add that you look wonderful today as we head into another afternoon of fantastic football. Pardon me, fantastic soccer.
Going head-to-head in today's game are the Ticklish Tornadoes and the Blue Boots.
The Boots have been tremendous this season. If their luck holds out, they might just move up a division.
Today's game is sure to be a good one. The Tornadoes kick off. Brings it under control. Blue frees it up. Through the defense. Plays it into open space.
It looks like it's going to be a closely called game today.
Dribbles it up.
Go team.
Challenges the keeper. And he scores!
Such wonderful placement on that shot. A thing of beauty.
The Tornadoes will restart the game. Tackled off the ball by Markey. Markey pokes it free. Nice up play by the defense. It was offside.
Nice call.
We have a substitution for the Ticklish Tornadoes. Scotty Roth is coming on for Vanna Steinman. Let's go. Leads the runner. Goes in aggressively. Corner goes to the Boots. It'll be a corner kick for the Boots.
This is a great place to have a shot on goal.
Just sit down. Jocinda pokes it free. Collects it. Here's a shot.
Miss hits it.
She gathers the loose ball. Ronnie. I'm a little tired of all this running around. Moves forward. In on goal. Toes the ball out of danger.
I'm open.
Throw into the boots.
What are they going to do here?
Hands it to herself. Moves forward.
Fine control there. Aggressive play.
Advances it.
Fine control there.
Blue frees it up. Leads the runner. Advances it. Crosses it. Wrapped it in like that tackle. That'll be the Tornadoes ball.
I'm not sure I really agree with that one.
We have a substitution for the Ticklish Tornadoes. Vanna Steinman is coming on for Kristen Shiner. Advances it. Blue frees it up. Heads it over. Gathers it. Ronnie pokes it free. Slides in. Dribbles it up. Plays it into open space. And that's the end of the first half. We've got a close match here today. At halftime, the Boots are leading 1-0. Go team!
Halftime gives the coach and the players time to talk about what is happening on the field, and we may possibly see a change in their strategy. It also gives the coach a chance to give the team a little pep talk.
The Boots will kick it off. Brings the ball forward. Let's go, Boots! Slides in. Jocinda pokes it free. Plays it into the box. We have got an offside flag up.
Their coach needs to hold them back a bit.
I'll put this in here. Serves it into open space. That one will belong to the Boots. The Boots will put it back in play.
I got this.
Leads the runner. Traps it. He drives it. It's gone over the line.
What a bullet that was! Truly a remarkable display of power.
We have a substitution for the Ticklish Tornadoes. Kristen Shiner is coming on for Scotty Rock. The Tornadoes restart the game, gathers it. I'll put this in here.
I'm open.
Heads up field,
Fine control there.
crossed at the net. It's in! The Tornadoes will restart the game.
Superb tackle.
Drives it in front. Looks like they caught Ernie.
Their coach needs to hold them back a bit.
I got this guy. Tackled off the ball by Ronnie. Tackled away. It went off of the Tornadoes. Throw it to the Boots.
I got this guy.
Blue frees it up. She chases it down.
Oh, got this one here.
Carries it upfield.
That's right.
Quickly into the middle. That one will belong to the Boots. We have a substitution for the Ticklish Tornadoes. Scotty Roth is coming on for Philip Hannon.
That one was dirtier than a
Gets
sailor
possession.
going into the sunset.
Impressive control.
Tackled off the ball by Ronnie.
A tremendous sliding tackle. Good anticipation.
I got this guy.
Moves forward. Ref didn't like that tackle. That'll be the Tornadoes' ball.
Looks like the referee is going to be a hard one.
We have a substitution for the Ticklish Tornadoes. Fabian Callahan is coming on for Frankie Hawley. Green frees it up. Maria pokes it free. Tackled off the ball by Maria.
Oh, got this one here.
Directs it behind the defense. Directs it across. Maria read that pass beautifully. That one will belong to the Boots.
Let's see what they do here.
Time runs out. Game over. Woo! The Boots won again. 3-0.
Oh, what a marvelous ending to a superb match. Today we can all be glad that the better team won.